We guide you through how to change location in Roblox 2026. First, log into your Roblox account on a web browser, not the mobile app, because location settings can only be updated on the website. Click the gear icon, go to Settings, then open the Account Info tab. From here, scroll down and look for the Country or Region section. Roblox automatically sets this based on your IP address, so if it's locked, you'll need to connect to a stable VPN set to your desired country, refresh the page, and then reopen your account settings. Once the new country appears, confirm the change and save your settings. Keep in mind this may affect in-game prices, currency, and available payment methods. After saving, log out and log back in to make sure the update applies properly.